It's going to be a mild evening, but it'll stay muggy until our next round of showers and storms arrives late tonight into early tomorrow morning. We could see another additional inch to 2 inches of rainfall, potentially with some gusty winds and heavy rain continuing through mid to late morning tomorrow, thanks to a front that's just centered right on top of us this evening. And that eventually will slide to the south tomorrow, taking the rain chances with it. So after tonight and into tomorrow, we're looking at a drier end to the week, but it's still going to be very hot with highs getting into the 90s. Here's what we can expect by about midnight. Most of us are still dry as some of those storms trying to get going off to our northeast. Eventually, this whole complex will slide along I-70 and eventually farther south too, going into the afternoon. By noon, all of us are clearing out, but we're left with those hot temperatures, that humidity sticking with us. That front off to our south, things are looking a little bit more dry for us, with the storm chances staying south of I-44. We do have a threat for a few strong storms going into tomorrow morning. This would be for potentially 50 to 60 mile per hour winds, and again, that chance for some heavy rain. We could see 1 to 2 inches here in the blue highlighted area, especially for areas east of Highway 63 as that complex slides through into tomorrow. Once the storms come to an end, we're going to see a high near 90. That heat index anywhere from 96 to 98 degrees, and we're looking at a hot end to the weekend. As we approach the holiday weekend, we're going to be warm on the 4th of July with highs in the 90s. It's going to feel even more hot too with that humidity around. We're going to see the highs or the heat index right around 96 to 98 on Saturday. In the evening, things are looking dry for fireworks, but we're still quite muggy with lows falling down close to 70 degrees. And we don't change a whole lot heading into next week. Our storm chances beyond Thursday will be somewhat spotty if we see any at all. We should see highs in the low 90s and then lows staying in the 70s.